Hi everyone, today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technologies, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use solid editing command in AutoCAD 3D. Capricorn Technology, brief information from Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Win Zero company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team member. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industries. Today agenda. Today we will going to learn solid editing tools. So what advantage of the solid editing tools? Edit faces and edges of 3D solid object. You can extrude, move, rotate, offset, taper, copy, delete, and assign color and material to faces. You can also copy and assign color to edges. So let's move on AutoCAD screen and we will see how to use solid editing tools. So as we can see that this is my AutoCAD in screen and solid editing tab. This is my solid editing tab and today we will going to learn taper faces. So taper faces command is used for creating a taper face as per our requirement. So suppose we have one cube and like box, we can create a box through box command and conceptual visual style selected here taper faces. So select taper faces, select face, enter and in solid edit specify the base point. So this is my base point and this is my another axis of tapering and taper angle will be suppose 25 degree. Then what happened? This face will be tapered by 25 degree. Okay. If you will be giving minus 25, then what happened? We can see that like face, enter, base point, another tapering point, and taper angle will be minus 25. Then face will be taper outside. Next command is rotate faces. Uh, Taper faces, rotate faces. Both command procedure is same, but application will be different. So how can you use the rotate faces? Select rotate faces. Suppose this face we want to rotate, select face, then enter and specify the base point, another axis, and angle will be 30 degree. Then face 30 degree face. This face rotated by 30 degree. You can see this. Okay. This is not taper, this is a rotate. Face will be rotated by 30 degree, right side clockwise. Okay. And copy faces. Copy faces command is just used for creating a copy of the faces. So how can create a copy face? Select face, then enter base point and displacement. This face will be copy. If we want to use a extrude command, then another solid box will be created like this. Okay. And Move faces. Move faces command is used for moving the face. If anywhere we don't have any given distance, we have point, uh, so we can move. Suppose this face I want to move by midpoint. So move faces command, select face, enter, then base point, then displacement point is my midpoint. Then faces will be moved by midpoint. Okay. Next option is delete faces. Suppose we have a fillet. So modeling, solid editing, modify fillet, and this edge fillet by 10 mm. Okay. If we want to delete this face, then use delete faces, select face and enter. Then filleted face will be deleted. Offset faces, select face, enter and give the offset distance. Suppose 100. Then face will be offset by 100 mm. Last option is color faces. Color faces, select face, enter and choose red color, then OK. Then we can use color faces through color face command. Okay, so today we will learn some solid editing tool. So for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.